Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to cut out objects in Affinity Photo. As example, I will open simple photo that we use as photo. Now I will use brush tools. You can click this icon, selection brush tool, and I will set for within here into this point. Now you can select insert the photo, the object, I will like insert in here, so to be automatically tracking the object. Okay, like this, and now we select in this face, and after this point, okay, you also can zoom in to view the trackings. If you want to create negative, like in here, I will click, and if you want to create negative, you can press Alt, and it will be automatically create for negative selection. Okay, if you're done, you can go to select and click invert pixel selection, so to be automatically select outside these objects, and you can press delete button to cut. Okay, now you can press ST button. Now we already create cut out objects in Affinity Photo. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.